Hello and welcome to another Budget and Leggit video. Now, if you remember when I did my compressor video and how bad and dirty it was because it lives underneath the steps, the guy from Pristine saw that and said, Leon, you know, seriously, sort your stuff out, and sent me some of his cleaner. Now, this is a multi-purpose cleaner. It cleans tools, it cleans everything, engines, compressors, you name it, it'll clean it. Obviously there's different strength, it's all on the back depending on what you are doing. And basically what we're going to do quickly with this in today's video is clean an engine, because I'm doing a van at the minute, just stay there, and I'm sick and tired. Every time I touch it, I'm just getting covered in oil. And we've got a discount code of BOOM20. Yes, BOOM20. You go onto their website and you will get a discount off your order. How awesome is that? So what we're going to do is I will be also cleaning tools and stuff with it. But what he does is, now for an engine I'm going to use it neat. So I'm just going to put this in the bottle here. I'm assuming this is for the bottle. And just use it neat. And then for tools and stuff, what he said, what he does is he puts a diluted system in a bucket of water and just leaves his tools in. It doesn't damage plastics or rubbers or anything like that, providing you don't leave it in there for a few days. Obviously you leave it in there to soak for a few minutes, pull it out, wipe them back, and you're sorted. But what we're going to do, we're going to see what it's like on an engine. Boom. Right, I also had a word with him when he was going to send me this, and I said, look, I'll quite happily do a video for you, but if it doesn't work, then I'm going to say it doesn't work. So be prepared. And he's like, yeah, no worries. He sent it to me anyway. So he's obviously really confident in the product. I have absolutely no doubts it's not going to work because he sent it to me, because I told him if it doesn't, I'm going to tell everybody. So we're going to see just how good it works. Right, because the next thing I got to do is clean, or well, sort out an EGR valve problem on this, and as you can see, it's just caked full of crap. We've got all crap down there, even though I've fixed all that part of it, but it's just, you know, there's just crap everywhere. So what we're going to do is we are going to spray this stuff on, and he's told me, depending on what you're doing, it all depends on what you're doing. Let me just turn the nozzle of this, and I'm just going to spray it everywhere. And he's telling me like 10-15 minutes, but half an hour. It just depends. You can leave it for, you know, as long as you want, depending on how bad it is, because this is an engine at the end of the day. It's not really tool. But I'm going to spray it over everywhere like that, and I'm going to leave it for say 15-20 minutes, and then we're going to wash it off. But you can see what it looks like, and let's see what it looks like afterwards. I'm not doing like a proper job on this. It's just to save myself getting covered in crap. And I'm actually going to test this. So if you see all of it kind of still dirty over here, it's not, because I'm only really using it on the engine parts where I'm working. I'm not going to be doing like a full clean. I'll leave this so you can kind of see a before and after. That's going to get a little bit wet, but hopefully you're going to get the idea. I left this for 15 minutes. It's maybe not going to be the fairest test, but I need to get on with this and I can't be arsed away anymore, basically. So 15 minutes, and we're going to see exactly what it can do in that time. Sorted. Right, hope you can hear me. I'm just going to do this with one squirt, and then I'm going to kind of turn the camera off just to see if we can see anything that actually happens. Wow. Ripped it off. Wow. Okay, right, let me wash this, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Right, I only very quickly did it, and like I said, I didn't spray all the way over here. I didn't really do it as you'd be cleaning an engine properly. I just wanted a lot of the crap to get off me, and as you can see, just look at it. It's done what it says it was going to do. And that was only leaving it 15 minutes, and like I said, if I spend a lot more time on it, look, I mean, look how clean that's come up. If I spent a lot more time on it, it'd be even better, but I'm not really cleaning the engine to make it look nice. I'm just cleaning it to help me. But there we go. Let's get this inside and dried off so we can see a bit better. Right, just before I end off the video, I'll just show you what it's like on a tool. So you can see the handle of this is very black, dirty. So I'm just going to water down a solution. I'm just going to put it on one arm of it and leave it for a few minutes and then wipe it off, and let's see what we get. Sorted. Right, so I've just sprayed it on there. I'm going to leave it to set for a couple of minutes and leave the old one like it was, and then we'll see. But let's look at the engine. Right, and here's the engine. It's a lot drier now. You can just see how much it ripped off. Just literally ripped off everything. And like I said, I wasn't doing this properly. You know, I didn't do all this. I didn't spray it down properly. I only did the bit I'm working on, you know, and you can just see it's just ripped everything off. So now I can actually get to that so much nicer without getting absolutely caked in crap. And yeah, so there we go, sorted. Look, I can actually touch it and there's nothing on my hands. Lovely. Right, I've literally only left that on there for a couple of minutes. I've just wiped my finger and it's already coming clean. I mean, look at this. Hold on, let me get that tight. Just really quickly. I didn't even leave it on for long. Wow, look at the difference. Look at the difference. That's what it used to look like. That's what it looks like now. And that was just a couple of minutes. So there we go. Boom! Oh yeah, that's also the discount code. Boom 20! So there we go. Look, hope it helps. If you got dirty tools, dirty engines, dirty compressors, whatever, there you go. And I think they are going to be doing other products for toolboxes and stuff like that. This will work on a toolbox, but they're doing some protection projects and stuff like that. But there we go. Boom, people. I'll leave all the links down in the description where you can get this from. And there we go. But look, yes, it does what it says it does. So look, hope it helps. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget, links up here, links down below. But most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.